Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is a 7-piece set which I bought, and this is by Mattel actually. So these are the mini cars, and these are metal cars, and this is from the Disney Pixar's Cars series or the movie. So this one I actually bought from one of my friend. He actually imported it. It is not, I didn't buy it in India. Sorry, he didn't buy it in India. I think I bought this entire set for somewhere around 1700 rupees. All 7 cars I'm talking about. So let's unbox these 4 today and see how this looks. So let's start with this one here. So this one is Duo Throttle Man. So it's been years since I saw the Cars movie. Okay. Okay, here it is. Okay, so the first impressions of this car are like, it looks really cute. The detailing looks really nice. So literally everything is painted here. So nothing is like embossed or anything. So even the exhaust details here, which is painted. So only the body is actually made of metal. There are no windshields here. Everything is painted. So the chassis here, it is actually plastic. This is not metal. So the tires are actually made of plastic. So let's keep this aside for a minute and let's open the second one. So this one is Sterling. Okay. So I never did unboxing of so many cars in one single video. I think this will be the first one for me. Okay. Here is Sterling. So this one has rear view mirrors, and the paint job looks really nice. So this mouth part is actually embossed and painted on it. The detailing looks really great. The rims looks really nice, and as usual, the body is fully made of metal and the chassis is plastic. As you know, this is made by Mattel. As you can see, most of this movie merchandise or whatever it is made by Mattel. Maybe under a different name, but it is made by Mattel. Okay. This is the second one. So third one, this is Paul Conrev. Okay. Let's open this. Okay, here it is. So this one looks really nice, especially the paint job on this one. It looks something different. I don't remember watching these cars in movies, but this looks super cool actually. Bumper save. So the mouth is embossed and literally everything else is just painted on it. The rims looks really cool, but one thing is here the spokes are actually just painted on a plastic block. So the body is metal and chassis is plastic. It does look really cool. And this sorry, I was coughing up. So the spoiler here, which is actually made of plastic, this one is not metal here. I'm really sorry for the background noise, guys. There is a lot today which I didn't expect. Okay, last but not least for today's video, this one. Okay, let's see what this is. Jack Depost. Okay, let's open this. Okay, here it is. So it looks really nice as usual. So the wheels looks actually really big compared to the others. Let's just see. Okay, these two wheel sizes looks really similar just because of the color on this one. This looks really big. but both the sizes are actually similar. But the rest two here, you can see these are very small. These two are small. These two are actually big. The wheels are bigger. Okay, the mouth is actually embossed on it, and rest of the details are just painted. So none of these cars actually has any rear view mirrors. Sorry, windshields. This car doesn't have rear view mirrors. And the body is made of metal. The chassis is plastic. The rims are fully blacked out. It says light here. Okay, let's do a roll test of each of the car. Okay, let's start with the first one which we unboxed. It doesn't roll at all. Just stops there. Let's roll this. This one rolls really nice. Does have wheel wobble, but it rolls really nice. This looks really cute. Let's roll this one. No, this doesn't roll really well. Both wheels have a lot of wheel wobble, as you can see. And last but not least, no. So as I can see, these two, which has the bigger wheels, doesn't roll at all. But these two really rolls. Okay, this one rolls. This one rolls really good. This one is okay, and these two, no, worst. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button, and if you love my video, subscribe. And it would be a great help if you guys subscribe and support me, so consider subscribing. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.